It was really weird to start with, but it definitely got easy with time. And then by the end of it, I guess I kind of tuned out. It was a little bit peaceful.
We didn't really know what to do. Like, we both started sort of smiling and laughing a bit, and then as time went on, we just sort of, it became just more comfortable.
Sometimes you get a feeling, sometimes you don't.
It was an interesting experience. I haven't really done it much before, so
Okay,
so
eye
that
gazing
was
virgin.
yes, definitely.
Fabulous.
So it was quite good.
Yeah.
And you just have to try and eliminate that smiling laughter and talking. Yeah. So it was quite interesting. It was good.
It made me think more about why does it make me feel awkward than it being awkward. Like, I don't think staring at people is awkward, but being told to and be silent at the same time made it a little bit like, why does that make me feel awkward?
I thought it was crap.
You didn't like it?
I hated it. I fidgeted and I made the comment, I've got two beautiful children, one's 2, one's 5.
Yeah.
And both this week they had a stare out with me and I looked away both times. I didn't make a minute.
Yeah.
And both of them were giving me this sweet little stare. Well, actually, the girl, I think she was staring me down. But I enjoy eye contact when I'm speaking with people. But in conversation, as I just said, you look away and then you come back. I don't know if it would be different as part of a different process. You know what I mean?
Well, I didn't want to do the eye gazing.
I don't know if I'll be able to do it again, but
You gave it a go.
yeah.